a tree that can serve as mouthwash. What tree is this? Introducing Balinghasay Buchanania arborescens of the family Anacardiaceae, the family of mango. It is also known as the little gooseberry tree or sparrow mango. The genus Buchanania was named after the Scottish botanist James Buchan, who contributed to the study of plants in the 18th century. The species arborescens was derived from Latin meaning tree-like or tree-form, indicating its growth habit as a tree. It is native to the seasonal tropical forest of northern Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Solomon Islands. It is also called jam-jam in Brunei, pupuhan in Indonesia, gitasan in Java, utak-udang in peninsular Malaysia, belono in Sabah, and ringas lot in Sarawak. Balinghasay is a large, fast-growing evergreen tree growing to about 20 meters tall and attaining a DBH of 60 centimeters. The bole is short, erect, cylindrical, and tapering. Balinghasay is very conspicuous when flowering as the whole crown turns cream white. Its wood is suited for light construction, furniture, blackboards, cigar boxes, veneers, and pulp production. The barks yield a brown dye when boiled in water. Fabrics and fish nets are stained by submersion in a hot dye bath solution overnight until the desired color is obtained. Fruits are edible, eaten raw, sweet, and pulpy. Australian Aborigines use the plant to treat toothache. Inner bark and sapwood are pounded between two stones, soaked in water, and the infusion is used as a mouthwash to relieve toothache, but not swallowed. Infusion of roots is likewise used for abdominal pains, tumors, boils, cough, eye infections, gingivitis, and inflammation. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.